In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and install apps from the Monday.com marketplace. Open monday.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, you should be on the main Monday.com homepage, and from here we can go straight to the marketplace. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click the puzzle icon just to the left of your profile picture. This opens the apps marketplace where Monday.com shows featured apps and category tabs near the top to help you explore what is available. Start by browsing a little so you can see how the marketplace is organized. Scroll down through the homepage and you'll notice featured apps and popular options. Then go back toward the top and click a category tab such as project management, CRM, or reporting. After you choose a category, scroll through the app listings under it. Each app card usually shows the app name, a short description, and whether it is free or paid, which makes it easier to compare options quickly. If you already know what kind of app you want, use the search bar at the top of the marketplace. Click into the search field and type Data Importer. As you enter that phrase, give the results a second to update below. This is often the fastest way to find a specific tool instead of browsing through multiple categories. When you see the app you want, click its app card to open the full detail page. On this page, take a moment to scroll down and review the important sections. Look at the features and capabilities so you understand what the app adds to Monday.com. Check the pricing section so you know whether there are any costs involved. Review security and compliance, then look at the permissions the app requires. You can also scroll further to see developer information and contact details, which is helpful if you want to verify who built the app or where support comes from. If the app looks right for your needs, go back to the top of the detail page and click the blue Install App button. On the next screen, choose whether you want to add the app to all workspaces or only to a specific workspace. Pick the option that fits your setup, then click Install to confirm. After that, the app will install and may either open on your selected board or send you to the Integration Center, depending on the type of app. To make sure everything worked, click the puzzle icon again in the top right corner. Then click Manage Apps in the top right area of the marketplace and open the Installed Apps tab. You should now see the app listed there, which confirms it has been installed and is ready to use. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's it. Your app is now active in the workspace you selected and available from your boards whenever you need it.